Bob Dewar seems a very funny man, and I'd love to meet him. He's we've got 2 books of his at the moment through bibliophilebooks.com. The first one is Swinging Sixties, and he lived on a Vespa by the look of him. This is the days of G-Plan and Mary Quant and mini skirts, and it's 100 of his own drawings, which are witty, for everyone who's tuned in, turned on or dropped out. The Swinging Sixties, Pan's People, all of the cultural references you'll remember. Fantastic. Great value, £12.99, new book that we have now on Bibliophile for just £6. The second one we'll come to in a minute, So Plums and Sore Knees, Said Knees, I can't speak in Scottish. So that's the first one, the Swinger BEATNIKS and Beehives it's called.